Did you know that the communities in which we live, work, and play represent more than just what meets the eye? And what you don't see is even more important than what you do. Meet New Strategy Holdings.
We are a land developers, and we develop lands for our national builders to be able to build homes for our communities. It's a local business. I mean, we do work around Central Florida, and I enjoy being around my family, and they're all in this business, and that's what I'm happy about.
When you're buying a home from a builder or hire a builder to build your home, you might think the builder does everything. Nope.
Land development is so essential because a lot of people, when they purchase a house, they don't think of what happened prior to building a home. It's a piece of land, it's a raw land that we have to engineer, we have to work it through rezoning, we have to make sure it's suitable to build a subdivision. We are the parks, we are the amenities, we are the roads, the sidewalks, the pool, we are the bridges, we are everything before you build a house.
Once we get the permits in place and we get all the approvals from the various jurisdictions we're dealing with, we then have to build it. We have to implement the vision that we created long ago. To do so, we hire site contractors and various people like that start from the raw ground and come up. We do everything from putting the plumbing in the ground, putting all the piping down there to do all the roads, and then we augment the vision by putting in the landscaping, putting in the amenities, putting in the things that direct people's lives other than just the house.
Once we know the land is suitable, it's got to go through, again, engineers. It's going to go to submit plans to the county or to the city. And once it's approved, then where the physical work is, that's where the equipment comes in. And those are subcontractor site developers. They do a lot of work around, and once the lots are finished, which is about a year, maybe sometimes a year and a half, that's where national builders come in and they hook their homes to sewer, water, electricity cable, what have you, that we already have in the ground.
It can take up to 3 years to prepare the land so that homes can be as functional as they are fantastic. They say the horizontal work is more difficult than the vertical work.
If we don't do the underground part right, they can't flush, they can't take a shower, they can't turn on the electricity, they can't use their Wi-Fi. All of that has to go in prior to the house ever being built, and all of it has to be right, or it's not safe, it's not serviceable, you can't live there. We do all of these things to make it a good environment. We're just good.
They've developed the land for over 60 properties throughout Central Florida.
The value that I think that we bring is the combination of our experience and our professionalism. We choose people that we've worked with for years on many projects, and we do that so that we know what to expect. We know how they're going to react during the time, because like you said, it can take 3 years. And if it takes 3 years, you've got to be able to work together with everybody to create the vision, to create the environment, to create the opportunity for the home builder to come in and build his homes and create a life for the families that are going to ultimately live there.
Basically, it is not magic, it is an art.
Want to know more about New Strategy Holdings? Visit newstrategyholdings.com, and of course, visit us at designingspaces.tv.